Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong DOM exercise in inner HTML sync using source location.search. So basahin natin, this lab contains a DOM-based cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search blog functionality. It uses an inner HTML assignment which changes the HTML contents of a div element using data from location.search. To solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. So, solve natin yung lab. Punta tayo sa lab. And tingnan natin tong blog natin, no? So, yung search daw yung vulnerable sa cross-site scripting. So, try natin mag-input. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, search. So, tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa nito, no? So, page source tayo. So, ito yung script natin, no? So, kinukuha niya, document get element by ID, search message. Then, ini-inner HTML niya yung query natin, no? So, kinukuha niya yung search, no? Yun yung query natin, search. So, yun yung variable natin na search. So, tignan natin anong ginagawa nito sa DOM. So, inspect element tayo. Tignan natin to. So, dito, makita natin na yung input natin nandito nasa loob ng span ID, no? So, tignan natin kung makakapag-inject ba tayo dito ng script alert. So, try natin, script alert, script, and search. So, pag linoad natin yung page, ayan, na-input yung script alert script natin dito sa loob ng span, no? Pero hindi nag-execute. So, hindi gumagana yung script alert sa DOM. So, kailangan natin gamitin is ibang payload. So, for example, image source, x on error, equals alert. So, search. And there you go. Nag-trigger XSS natin and na-solve na natin yung lab, no? So, pag tinignan natin dito sa loob ng div, dito sa baba, ayan, nandito yung ating payload. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.